find out how to make this DIY drip art, stay tuned. To begin, I used acrylic paint in 3 different shades of orange. And this will literally be the easiest project that we do this year. I took the lightest shade and lined the top of the poster board paper with a thick amount of the paint. Then I went with the next color, which was the second darkest shade, and repeated that process. You'll repeat that process with all 3 of your colors, and then the easiest part of this drip DIY art is that you just stand the paper up or the poster board up and you allow the paint to free form and drip on its own. Now, of course, you could use a blow dryer to help the paint along, but I really wanted this to do its own thing. While your first DIY drip art is drying and allowing the paint to flow down the page, you'll start this process over with your next set of colors. Now, the great thing about this project is that you can use any colors that you like, and you will be able to allow it to float down the page, creating different looks each time. Another thing that you can also do is overlap the colors, and that will allow a gradient type of combination, which will also turn out really pretty. This is completely up to you as to how you do it, and you have so many different variables that you can create with this art, and it will just add a really pretty and pleasing aesthetic to your home. I decided to leave these to drip overnight, and that will allow it to do exactly what it wants, so I can come back in the morning and finish up the project. The last step of this project is to add a photo mat to it to complete your art. I got this photo mat at the Dollar Tree, and they come in both black and white. And had I thought about it, I would have actually traced the square on the inside of the photo mat, and that's where I would have started my paint to begin dripping. But since I did not, I just lined the top of the art to the opening of the mat and trimmed off the excess poster board. And you will do this to both of your pieces of art so that the white of the poster board does not show through. And finally, to go ahead and put the 2 pieces together, you're just going to use a simple piece of tape. I'm using washi tape because that's what I had available on hand, but Scotch tape will also do the trick. And here are the finished drip arts. I think that they came out so cute, and it's a great way to add a pop of color to your space, and it's extremely simple to make. Leave me a comment down below as to what colors you would have used doing your drip art, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for joining me for another video. I really appreciate all of the new followers that we've gained starting off this year in 2020. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, share this video with a friend, like this video, and leave me a comment down below. Also, remember to check out Denise T. She's the one who is behind the music that you hear on my videos. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you guys have a great day and keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.